Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get listed on Google Maps. Watch this! All right, okay, so with that being said, we have the word plumber, and the reason why we're using plumber is because I created a mock-up site, just something that I could use as an example to show you how to get listed for those particular keywords. So the H1 tag should say plumber, plumbing service, Orlando, Florida. That's the area that they're trying to rank. You want to have keyword pages. So you'll notice under services, these are the pages. These are what's called keyword pages. So if we go to clogged drain, we have the area, we have the keyword, and clogged drain. Now we also have images that correlate with the word clogged drain. And there's a lot of content just on clogged drain. So in order to rank for the keyword clogged drains, you need to have content on your website. You need to have a page dedicated to that keyword. You can't rank for a keyword if you don't have content about that keyword on your page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you need reviews on that keyword. So if you could send your review link to somebody and you could say, hey, use the keyword, use the geolocation. You want to get a bunch of reviews using that keyword. Move on to the next lesson, which is citations. Citations are basically a vote on the internet showing your name, address, and phone number. Because what Google looks for is they want to make sure that the name, address, and phone number is the same all over the internet. I wanted to show you one other little trick. Yelp, it's a much needed directory or citation. You need to have it. There's a direct correlation between businesses that show up in the Google 3-pack and businesses that have a Yelp page. 74% of the people who are ranking, businesses that are ranking in the Google 3-pack, have an optimized Yelp profile. If you'd like to work with us, please call us. My numbers are right here. We'll be happy to work with you. We do a free local SEO evaluation for your website. Thank you, guys.